Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to fix the 5G not working issue on your phone. So in this video I will show you two methods to fix this 5G not working. Simply go to settings, tap on general, scroll to bottom, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings. Enter your screen passcode. Confirm this with the reset network settings. Now the device is powering off. Just wait for a couple of seconds, and after this one we need to restart our device. Okay. So still if you are facing the 5G not working issue, just go to the second method. Simply go to settings, tap on mobile service, then tap on turn on the option mobile data, and after this one select mobile data options, tap on voice and data. Then you have to select either 5G auto or 5G on. So simply in these two methods we can fix the 5G not working issue on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.